Gallery is a versatile application for Android devices that serves as a central hub for organizing, viewing, and managing photos and videos. This app typically provides users with an intuitive and visually appealing interface, making it easy to navigate through their media collections. With features such as album creation, users can categorize their images and videos, facilitating easier access and organization. The Gallery app often includes tools for editing photos, allowing users to apply filters, adjust brightness, and crop images directly within the app. In addition to basic viewing and editing functions, many Gallery apps offer advanced features like slideshow presentations, cloud backup options, and sharing capabilities across social media platforms or messaging apps. Users can also enjoy support for various file formats, ensuring compatibility with different media types. Overall, the Gallery app is an essential tool for Android users who want to keep their media organized, choice for individuals enhance their visual content, looking for a reliable share memories to manage and archive